getting everything organized. So my book says, hi everybody. I am working on a Project Life page, or maybe two if I have time. It's from the month of May in 2016. So here's my diagram, my plan. I always make a sketch of what page protector I'm using, then I number each one, and then down here I put what I want, how I want to embellish that certain pocket. So as you can see from the X's and things, I changed the pictures I put in a couple times, and I also changed how I want to decorate the pictures in the pocket as well a few times. So anyway, the blue highlight is the changes. So now I've gone through a lot of my supplies and gathered quite a bit of material. Now I just have to go through and pick out the ones for this particular page. So here I go. Okay. So it's funny how you think you have the stickers or stamps you need until you go to find them, and guess what? Anyway, I don't. I looked everywhere for a paw print, and I thought for sure I had some. I need a Disney sticker. Where's my little book that tells me what I need on? I need a heart sticker, a Disney sticker, washi tape, a dog stamp, which I don't have, a star, a label. Oh, I do have this chipboard paw sticker. So I guess I'll use that. A heart one for sure. Okay, oh, I know what I want a label for. I'm gonna have to get some from Etsy. I don't really have any labels. Although I bet I have some in my printables. I'll look at my printables tonight. And I need this. I'll keep that just in case. Those are the stickers I need for this layout. Okay, so sticker, heart, Disney, washi tape. Where's my washi tape? So what do I need to washi tape? It's number 6. Oh, I'm not washi taping that. I might put one on. Okay, and I need a sticker on 10 or 11. Maybe I'll just put washi tape on there instead of a sticker. And then I need a label with a stamp set. Okay, I'm gonna look for that later. So I don't think I need any of these right now. Alright, I need some cardstock. Okay, I'll just get it when I need it, I guess. Although, this might be good enough. I am ready. So, the first one says a heart sticker or nail sticker. So, that's this one. So, I think what I'm going to do is put a heart on. I'm going to put it right in the middle there. So this is Sydney painting my nails. And that was, she would have been 6 or 7 then. Because they're glossy, I use this as a old eye mask that I used to use to cover my eyes when I go to bed. So, where is my heart? What did I do with it? There it is. So, these are from Forever in Time, which is Dollar Tree. I think I'll do a medium-sized one if I can get it off. There we go. And this is appropriate because she loves sparkles. these plastic sheets have a tendency to have things cling to them. Okay, so this is my middle grandson, Gavin. And it originally was going to be him and his brother and Rain sometimes, they did Dub Smash. And I was going to make a QR for it, but I decided not to. So, since I don't want to leave all this blank, so I thought I would put a big G there. So this is from Dollarama for $1.25. It's by Kraft, and it's alphabet stickers, and it has 8 sheets, and that's the sheet. Okay, so I need to get this right in the middle. I need to bring it over a little. I think that's pretty straight. I don't know whether to put a small one here or a bigger one there. Maybe I'll put Minnie's face. No, I won't do that. Maybe I'll do this little red one and put it. Maybe I'll put it. No, that going. So many decisions. Okay, if I put it there. Oh, you know what? I gotta put it here, and I have to get my smaller pair of scissors over here. Just cut off those. I just put a Minnie Mouse bow on there. I don't know whether it adds to it or not. Yeah, I think I only need one on there. So this, starting tonight at 12:01, all of Ontario is going into their 3rd lockdown. So this is a Dub Smash. That's my grandson Ethan and his friend Ethan. So it's a QR code. So I just put some music notes on it. Okay, so this is my Candy Crush. So back in 2016, I was level 1193. So I think I'm going to find some Candy Crush icons and print them and print them on sticky paper and put them there. This is where I wanted to have the pop. I've had this for a long time, and it's from Dollarama. I probably have had this for at least 4 years. So, let me see. Which one am I going to put? Yeah, I think I'll stick to this one. However, I'm not sure I want it to pop up like this. I think I'll take this off. What do you guys think? Maybe. So, maybe I'll put it on a paint chip. I think I'll put it on this thing. I've had this paint chip for a long time too. There we go. Okay. So I could put that there, and I could put it like that. Yeah, I think you'll be able to see it better with that background. It doesn't get lost on the picture. You know, it does take a long time to do Project Life, but it's worth it. Although it seems like I've been working on May forever. I wonder if I should outline that. Not that you can really see it. And I think I'll put it right here. Okay, so in May, which is box 9, it just says add an embellishment or ribbon. So I think I will put, I might put a washi tape there. Or I have some little embellishments here. That's a Tim Holtz embellishment, I do believe. But these ones all are from Dollar Tree. So these circles on here, I saw on Facebook and the Project Life Facebook page. The lady was saying how to get these circles on any special dates on your calendar. So you just go into the text box and you just put a circle on them and enlarge it. So I tried it and it worked fine. So maybe I'm thinking about putting this oversized die cut there. Everybody knows that that would be Sunday. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Go for it, right? There. And then I'll just cut out off the excess. There. What do you think? I like it. I'm gonna have to get a little container to put those little pieces in. Yeah, that looks good in there. Okay, so for 10 and 11, it says add a tree or leaf sticker. But you know what? I've got something on almost every single picture. I don't think I need to put any on here. But what I want to do with this one is take a piece of scrap paper. I think I'll do black. So this is the first time I've ever done this one, this trick. I just want to get this done so I can move on to 2017 and then eventually get to the current year. Alrighty guys, wish me luck getting this straight. Try that. Alright, now I gotta wipe all around the edges. Perfect. Not bad. It's a little off, but that's it. It got some of the ink on the top, but I might be able to get most of it off. There we go. So I know my mom and my sister want to watch The Queen tonight with Helen Mirren. So this is going to be my last one today. What do you guys think? I think it's okay. I can always take it off. Because, you know, somebody might not know that this is a tree. So I have to tell them that this is a tree. There. I want to get May done so badly. Okay, so this is the final result. Try to get this glare out. See if it can. So and then the middle, I watched the kids that weekend. Well, Amberly and Perry went on a cruise and they stopped at Disney World as well. So they bought me a beautiful wallet I still have for watching the kids. And that one's the two Ethans, my Candy Crush, my dog, my mom's holding her. The May calendar, I always put some calendar in every month. And then this is wild violets and growing in our lawn. And then this is day 91, which is May 5th. And it's the sun shining through the tree. So that is the first page for May of 2016. And I'm probably going to do the next couple pages off camera, but you'll see them on the flip through. Okay, my friends, thank you for stopping by. I hope you have a wonderful Easter weekend and stay safe. Bye now.